What's the meaning of Carlsbad Caverns? Carlsbad Caverns. Carlsbad Caverns.
Carlsbad Caverns. Carlsbad Caverns. Carlsbad Caverns is a system of 119 limestone caves in the Guadalupe Mountains of southern New Mexico, USA. The caverns are famous for their magnificent rock formations, including stalactites, stalagmites, and other unique geological features. The name of the caverns comes from the nearby town of Carlsbad, New Mexico. This natural wonder has become one of the most popular tourist attractions in the United States, drawing visitors from all over the world who come to witness the awe-inspiring beauty and grandeur of the cave system.